Hi, I'm Raf, and in this video we're going to be solving the Clawbacks quest from level 3. In this quest you're going to have to issue a clawback enabled asset from the quest account and then claw back. Clawbacks on Stellar are a feature that allow issuers to be regulation compliant, meaning if they've sent out an asset they can actually take it back and burn it. Accounts and assets don't have this feature on by default, and issuers need to turn on clawbacks enabled to be able to use this. So let's go and solve this quest. In Stellar Lab, let's go and fund our key pair. Let's copy over our public key and our secret key. And let's head over to the Stellar Lab. We're going to need another key pair. This is the one that's going to be sent to and then taken back from. So let's go and fund this public key and document it and document our secret key. All right, let's go and build a transaction. So let's go and create the settings here. So from the quest wallet, let's go grab the next sequence number. And then the operation that we're going to need for first is to set options on this account. The options are going to need to be authorization revocable and authorizing clawback enabled. That means that if there are assets in orders on the order book, we can actually revoke the trust line and close these orders. Okay, and let's go and sign and submit this to the network. There's faster ways of doing this in one transaction. I'm just going to do it in multiple just because I can wrap my head around that. All right, sign and submit. Okay, the second thing we're going to do is we're going to build a transaction from the second wallet. And let's clear the cons here. There you go. And let's fetch the next sequence number. And then let's go build a trust line to the other account. So we're going to go change trust. The asset that we're going to trust hasn't been created yet, but we're going to trust a RAF asset that will be issued by the quest wallet. There you go. And let's go and sign and grab our secret key from our second wallet and submit it to the network. So now that this trust line is set, let's go and build a transaction from the quest wallet that's going to issue a clawback enabled asset. And we're going to send a payment of to the second wallet of RAF. And we are the issuer of that asset. And we're going to send them 1,000. And let's sign and change our secret key to the quest wallet and submit it to the network. So if we go look up this second wallet inside of Stellar Experts, we should see 1,000 RAF here. And if we look at the issuer of that RAF, there you go. Sorry, one sec. You can kind of see on this token here that I have the flags that are enabled. Okay, let's go and take those away. Let's build a transaction from the quest wallet. Grab the next sequence number. And now let's go to clawback. The asset is a RAF asset from ourselves. Oh, that's all right. Yeah, that's right. We are the issuer. We are clawing it back from the second wallet here. And we're clawing back 1,000. Let's go sign it. Make sure we have the right secret key on there and submit it to the network. Okay, so let's go and look at the second wallet on Stellar Expert. And there we go. We can see that the assets that were in this account have been taken away. And if we go back to RAF here, load, you can see that there's the clawback that happened. So let's go back to Stellar Quest. Let's go verify that we did this properly. And there you go, success. I hope that helped.